Welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to discuss about exercise 1.5 of number system unit. Exercise 1.5 first question I am going to solve in this video. Let's see the question. Classify the following numbers as rational or irrational. Here they have given some numbers. We have to write that is rational number or that is irrational number. One thing you should remember, when you add, subtract, multiply or divide irrational number to a rational number, you are always getting the answer irrational. When you add, subtract or multiply or divide a irrational number to the rational number, you are always getting irrational number. So here, see here, 2 minus root 5. Here root 5 is irrational number, right? So here subtracting a irrational number from the rational number. I told when you add, subtract, multiply, divide irrational number from rational number or to rational number, we are getting irrational number only. So here root 5 is irrational. So 2 minus root 5, that is also irrational. Now let's solve the second question. 3 plus root 23 minus root 23. Here first we have to take the bracket. 3 plus root 23 minus root 23. Here we have irrational numbers, but we can cancel that. We are having plus root 23 and minus root 23. So remaining is 3. Here 3 is rational, right? We can write 3 in the form of p by q. We can write as 3 by 1, or you can write as 3 by 1, that is 3, or you can write as 6 by 2, that is also 3, or you can write as 9 by 3. See, 3 we can write in p by q form, different p by q form. 3 plus root 23 minus root 23, this is rational. This number is rational. Now let's see the next question. 2 root 7 divided by 7 root 7. Here we can cancel root 7 and root 7. Root 7, when we cancel, we are remaining with 2 by 7. 2 by 7 is rational number, right? That is in the form of p by q. Here 2 is p and 7 is q. That we wrote in the form of p by q. Number which we can write in the form of p by q, where p and q are the integer, are called as rational number. So this answer is rational. Here we may have the irrational numbers, but same irrational number we are having here. So we are dividing that. After dividing that, irrational number will go. Then only we are remaining with rational numbers. Now let's see the next question. Now let's solve this question. Here we are having 1 by divided by root 2. Here root 2 is irrational, right? So when you add, subtract, multiply or divide a irrational number from rational number, we are getting answer irrational only. Here answer is irrational, because root 2 is irrational. If you divide a rational number from irrational number, we are getting answer irrational only. Here answer is irrational. Now let's solve this question. Here we are having 2 pi. So we know that pi is irrational. When we wrote the example of irrational numbers, we wrote pi also. Pi is irrational. So if you multiply any rational number to irrational number, we are getting answer irrational number only. When you multiply a rational number to the irrational number, we are getting answer irrational only. Otherwise, if you need the method, here pi value is 3.14 something we are getting here after decimal point. So this is irrational, this is rational. So when you multiply these, you are getting answer 6.28 and something answer we will get, that is non-terminating. So non-terminating terms are non-terminating but non-recurring also. Non-terminating, non-recurring terms are always irrational. Here value of the 2 pi is irrational. This is all about today's video. If you want previous video link or next video link, I will upload that link in the description box. You can click that and watch the previous class videos also or next class videos also. Thank you.